Instantly AI tutorial, how to use Instantly AI for cold email marketing. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with generating and finding leads using Instantly AI. So if you want to follow along this video, make sure to check the link provided in the description box down below to get a 14-day free trial of Instantly AI. So let's get into it. Now, the first process is you're going to sign up with the link provided down below, and you can get started by providing your name and email address. And after that, just create a suitable password for your account. Now, once you agree to their terms of service, you can click on join over here, and we are just going to verify our email address like this. So just click on confirm your email to get started with Instantly AI. And just like that, your account will be created and this will be your dashboard. Now, in your dashboard on the left, you have a tool panel, and in this tool panel, you have a lead finder, you have email accounts, you have campaigns, you have your Unibox, which is like your mailbox that has a bunch of different things, such as your CRM as well. Now, after that, you have your analytics, and then you have your lead management. On the top right, you just have your organization or your account settings and some basic account information. So let's get into actually getting started with Instantly AI and the power of using AI to find the perfect business leads for you, because business leads are something that people underestimate when they're starting their businesses, and it can be a really big task when you're looking for leads and you can't seem to find them, especially when you're looking for organic leads that are going to be a long-term deal with a business, because finding individual customers can be easy, but a long term business partnership or connection is a very difficult thing to find. However, Instantly AI makes this easier as well. So if you click on your lead finder on the top left, you will be able to see different filters and people and enrichment. Enrichment is basically when you have certain information about people or a business or a company, but you don't have a lot of it. So you can create your lists over here and upload those to find more information about that particular business so you're able to do a better cold outreach. Then you have certain filters that you might want. So let's say I'm looking for only people in the CEO position. So we have one little section over here. Then we can choose a location. So I want this to be in Toronto, in Canada. And then let's say I want this to be in the manufacturing industry, or let's say I want this to be in something like wholesale and distribution. And even within these larger categories, you have subcategories. So if I go into something like media and entertainment, they have broadcast media, media production, newspapers, online media, and more. So you can choose, a very specific industry as well. Let's say we want apparel and fashion. Then you have your employees. So let's say I don't have any filter on that. And let's say I want to choose a particular revenue. Let's say I want this to be 0 to 1 million. Then you have your keyword filter. So let's say we are looking for women. And then you can choose a lookalike domain as well as a job listing technologies, as well as a news funding type department as well. Now, obviously, this is dependent on your particular subcategory that you have integrated. Now, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to leave these empty because I don't want a specific categorization on this. So I'm going to just go on ahead and look at some of the results that we have. Obviously, these are hidden for privacy reasons, but you guys can see you have quite a few different profiles available. Plus, they are all linking to Twitter and LinkedIn profiles. You have their email, company, titles as well. And let's say I don't want this to be CEO. Let's say it could be CEO, CFO, COO, whatever. And like that, you can increase, you can find more people working in the same business. You also get information such as their phone numbers, employees, their keywords, as well as company news and their overall industry that they are working in. So this is a really great way to find a particular contact that you might be looking for, to find the businesses that require your tools or your services. Now, in your enrichment section, you can click on create new list and you can start create lists over here as well. Now, you have multiple different plans on Instantly, and if we take a look at their pricing, their leads plan start at $47 per month and their hyper leads plan starts at $197 per month. And if you choose to pay yearly, you get a 20% discount as well. And for the number of leads and contacts that you are going to generate, this is really no price to pay, because just by one lead that you find over here, you can generate enough business to cover the entire fee of the Instantly AI platform. Now, after that, after you have chosen your particular plan on Instantly AI, you'll be able to unlock all details about a person or a business that you're looking for, as well as enrich pre-existing information that you might have. Now, you might have the information, okay, you found like the executive of a retail company, but what do you do after that? So let's say you want to promote your new products that you're running online, and you think that a pop-up store might be a great way to increase business for them and you as well. So how can you cold outreach without making it sound really bad, or without making it a really awkward interaction? Well, to do that, you're going to go into email accounts, and you can add your own email account over here to get started with building, emails. So I'm just going to continue on over here, and you're going to open your Google IMAP access, and you're just going to go ahead and, follow along, and you can enable IMAP and then just choose this and then copy this into your client IDs just to make this easier. So now once you do that, you can directly manage your emails over here as well and keep in touch with all of your campaigns. Now, in your campaigns, you can build a cold outreach template just to make it easier for you to access it later on as well. So click on the campaigns and click on add leads. You can add your leads from your pre-existing data set like this. Click on add to campaign, and this is going to be our cold outreach campaign. And over here, once you add a particular lead in your campaign, you can get started with, building your campaign, and you will also see the total number of people you have contacted, the amount of people that have actually opened your campaign, the click rate, the reply rate, and the opportunities and the revenue with those opportunities. So you can start building your campaign and start building your sequence. So the sequence is going to obviously entail your email. So this might be cold outreach, whatever you might want to, name this, and you can add multiple different variants as well. And then you can add a second email, which is going to be a more persuasive email as well to further amplify the effect. And you can also schedule these for your personal liking. So let's say you're launching, like once you launch a new product and you've created buzz around your product, you want to send all of your emails then, so you can do that so you have better results with other businesses. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Instantly AI. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check the link down below to get a 14-day free trial of Instantly AI, and I will catch you guys in the next video.